Happy birthday to the one person I could always count on to. We started out as workmates but ended up loving each other as best of friends, like being your older sister. We may be distant, but always remember that no space, nor time and person will ever cut ties between our friendship. I wish I could celebrate your birthday with you. Just have a blast. I love you, Mads. Zoe's Mamo. Mwah. Happy birthday!
Hi Jess, happy birthday! May this year brings you more adventures, accomplishments, and success. And I fervently wish you all the happiness, joy, and love in the world. Happy birthday! See ya!
To my cousin who is very smart, generous, kind, and good looking, happy birthday. Nelson, I am very proud of you and what you have achieved in this life. You are truly inspiring. And my only wish is peace, joy, love, and true love, and blessing that flows abundantly. And pagminyan ay tigwang naka. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Justine. Wishing you all the abundance, good health, and more blessings to come. Your career, family, and friends. May you enjoy your birthday today. See you. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Hello. Happy birthday to Nelson Justin Panditon. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Don't play. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, sir!
Wishing you a happy birthday, Kuya Pops. More birthdays to come, and hoping that you will have a wonderful day.
Happy 29th birthday, or should I say, forever 29th birthday. Oh my gosh, you have a blast and blessed a day ahead. So, thank you for such a blessing to everybody and to us most especially. And, well, sa pagpakatawa and always the good vibe, no? You're spreading all throughout your content. So, continue creating and be creative as always. And congratulations on your milestones, and continue to be a blessing. You have a blast and a wonderful day, and congratulations again. Have a wonderful forever 29th birthday. Enjoy. Bye. See ya. I hope I can get there. Hoping. Baboosh.
Babaeng likas na balbon, meron namang ibang singbango ng sabon. Hello, a big shout out and a happy birthday to one of my biggest supporters in a Maxi the Musical, ang pagdadalaga ni Maximo Oliveros. NJ, happy birthday. Thank you for all the love and support that you've given me when I was still in the Philippines. But now it's your day. I hope you have a blast and continue doing whatever you're doing. Be the best. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, NJ Pambansang Wamo. I hope you will enjoy your day and may all your plans, your aspirations in life, your wishes come true this new chapter. And ingat ka lagi. God bless you always and be happy. Yun. Hope to see you soon.
What's up, madlang si Judessa, 29 years old, ang bisdaka kanin businesswoman ng Davao City.
Yes! Alam mo,
Happy birthday, MJ. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday.
Mga kagolda, so nakita na ako bag-interview si Heart Evangelista. Daday katawa sa pangdato. Ang katawa sa pangdato kagolda kay ana lang yun doon katawa si Heart kita jud ko. Ana lang. Dili ka nang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Angie. Wish na ko sa imong tagaan pa kagdugang kusog kinabuhi sa Ginoo. Yung mga ginikanan, yung mga relatives, tagaagdugang kusog tasan kinabuhi sa Ginoo, ipalayo sa mga disgrasya. Ug Angie, padayon ang imong pagkamaayong tao, ug imong pagka-buutan nga tao. And more birthdays to come. God bless you. Happy birthday. Love you so much.
At nung dumating ka, parang magandang...
Hi, NJ! Panagiton! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best and of course, successful in life, my friend! And sana matutupad lahat ng wish mo ngayong kaarawan mo, friend. And of course, more success sa life and diba? Mataas na yung followers mo, road to 1 million ka na, my friend. Thank you so much. And I wish you syempre good health lang palagi tayo. And sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo kasama ang pamilya mo and buong family mo mag-enjoy. Diba? And syempre good health sa lahat ng pamilya mo. Diba? I-wish natin yung healthy tayo, maging healthy lang tayo sa life. And happy sa life. Sana magkaroon na tayo ng alam mo na, alam lang char na, my friend. I miss you. I love you, my friend. Happy birthday. I love you very much. God bless.
Hi, DJ Palapitan sa next birthday. Very happy birthday. Good health. Thank you your day. God bless and God bless us to come. Bye.
Uy, thank you, Arabong Hilaw. Guys, magkasama po kami na Arabong Hilaw and Arabong Sunog. I love you. Ay, suwang, hello. Ay! Ano ba yun? Pass the kiss. Bye-bye. Ay, salamat sa mga friends natin, guys, sa mga social media influencer. Thank you. Thank you. Successful po ang event ng Mega Love! Hi, NJ Panagiton. This is Scarlett Dark. Binabati kita ng happy more birthdays to come. Ayan, mag-ingat ka palagi sa iyong buhay. God bless.
Angie, I'm drunk.
You're drunk?
Oo. I'm trying to get drunk because I'm broken-hearted. What advice can you give to me?
Get drunk more.
Good advice.
Good advice.
Yeah, good advice. Like you know, I'm.
5 pa lang.
It's hard to pretend. Huh? 5 pa lang, sabi 3. Lenk, what advice can you give to me that I just broke up with my boyfriend 5 days ago?
What advice? Oh, I can think of anything. Love yourself more and just make yourself busy.
Make myself busy?
Yes.
Okay, I'm busy. I need to go. I love you.
Spend
Bye-bye.
time with your friends and family.
I love you, Leng. Take care and good luck to your games. I miss you. Manood ako. Mag-stay na 3 months ako sa Manila.
Okay. Visit ka sa house.
Really? Hi to social climbers, mga bagbilat. Bye-bye. Love you, Len. Ingat kayo. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi, NJ Panagiton. This is Brand Damage. I just wanna greet you. Happy birthday. Ingat ka. Enjoy your day. God bless.
We live here in Jensen. Of course. Init kayo. Ang payong. Init kayo. We live here in Jensen. Of course, abog kaayo. We live here in Jensen. Of course, mahal kayong pamasahe sa tricycle o tricycle. Kasi nanay taripa, mga waa mo. Hi, NJ. This is Rika Balls, na babaeng may balls. Gusto ka lamang na batiin ta ka og happy birthday sa imo ha. Og wish na ako nga ihatag ni Lord tanan mga wish nimo sa imong heart og para sa imong family og para sa imong kaugalingon. Daghang salamat sa imong pagsuporta. Happy birthday.
Gawin ko sinti. Bubukasyon mo ako.
Happy birthday.
Closer, pwede closer.
Jensen.
Ay! Taga dito mapudli, uy.
Jensen.
Hello.
Kimana, uy, Jensen.
Ala, uy, ayaw mapag-away.
Ayaw.
Ako din.
Uy, dili lagot for that.
Tanan sa kapam, ako ano nang yung Pinoy, big.
Sawadika, mi hao kung kapay pat kung hap rukuy. Happy birthday, NG. Happy 29th birthday. More birthday to come. More candles to So happy birthday.
No, I can't smile without you. I can't laugh without you. I can't.
Happy birthday, Francine! God bless you always, and thank you for following and watching my videos, Madam Nila. And stay beautiful, you both, kasi beauty is a feeling, it's not the looks.
So what's up mga kabraso? Ito, seryosong tanong to Pipili ako ng pinakamagandang sagot. Kung ulam ako para sa inyo, anong ulam kaya ako? At bakit? Let's go!
Come with me and you'll be...
Hey, what's up NJ? This is Robbie and just wanna greet you. Happy birthday sa'yo. So kung nasan ka man ngayon, dyan ka muna. I-enjoy mo na yung birthday mo. Let's go!
Happy birthday, NJ. More birthdays to come and God bless.
Hello NJ! Happy birthday! I wish you a day filled with joy, laughter, and all the things you love most. And enjoy every moment of your special day. God bless and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday NJ! I hope you stay happy, healthy, tsaka inspired always. Tsaka yung lahat ng ginagawa ng iyong kamay maging blessing sa'yo, pati sa mga taong minamahal mo. Ingat lagi, God bless. Masayang araw sa NJ, Robin nga pala ng Masculados, na binabati ka ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Ingat ka lagi enjoy, God bless. Panalo!
And I'm feeling good.
Hi, binabati ko ng isang maligayang kaarawan si NJ Panagiton. Happy birthday sa'yo, ingat ka palagi. God bless you. Enrico pala ng Masculados bumabate. Panalo!
Hi guys, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life and the fulfillment of what your heart truly desires. Sana masaya ka, sana nasa mabuti kang kalagayan, at sana mas marami pang taong matulungan at matuwa sa'yo. Keep up the good work. See you soon and God bless.